Hi there everyone and welcome to Brooks Motor Products. Today we have stock number 187674 on a 2018 Chevrolet Tahoe Premier 4-wheel drive. The exterior color is white. This model has 22-inch aluminum rims with black inserts. Some of the exterior features include the step-up rail, illuminating side mirrors, keyless entry, and remote start. This model also comes with a 5.3-liter V8 engine with a 6-speed automatic transmission, chrome accents and black polish all the way around. Take a look inside. We got the power door locks, power windows, and extra storage in the door. We also got your driver settings here. We got your power driver's seat with the lower lumbar support. We got all your lighting settings, 4x4 settings, and towing settings right on the side. Take a quick step inside. We got your steering wheel control options, which includes cruise control, collision alert, heated steering wheel, audio control settings, and all your other options through the dashboard, through the control panel on the steering wheel. We got your OnStar 4G LTE network ready. And this model also comes with a sunroof, which the controls are right above the rearview mirror, and so is your power liftgate button as well. We got the 8-inch touchscreen display with AM/FM radio with Sirius XM radio as well. We got the automatic climate control with rear climate control as well. Heated and cooled seats. We got extra storage up here up front. All your USB ports and charging ports here. Extra cup holders. We've got the push button start as well. The interior color is black with leather wrapped upholstery and wood accents up front. Leather wrapped steering wheel as well. Take a look in the back. This model has 2 bucket seats in the back here for full access to the 3rd row seating. Lots of leg room. And there's your control options for the rear climate control. There's a 110 volt plug-in and an extra charging port with extra storage here in the back. Just got the bucket seats in the back. This model comes with a power liftgate. You press twice on the key fob and it'll open automatically for you. And there it is. Take a closer look. You see that's your 3rd row seating. This is your electrical options here. Automatic goes up, automatic goes up, and then just press the down button and it'll go down for you again. Press down, go down. Pretty cool. Lift here and we got extra storage, and go even further and you got your spare tire underneath. And you just got to press this button here. Tailgate will close for you. And there you have it. That concludes stock number 187674 on a 2018 Chevrolet Tahoe Premier 4-wheel drive. And the exterior color is white.